This is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your cryptocurrency in Dphenex and then you transfer it to Binance. So what you do is you head on to Binance. So right now I'm logged on to Binance. You click wallets in the bottom right corner. Then you can actually click deposit, or you can actually click spot on top there, then click deposit. Then from here you have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit here, the one you will withdraw from Dphenex. So go by USDT. Then when you click USDT, you need to copy the address. Let's do this. Okay, so when you get here, you need to choose the network, click Tron TRC20, then copy the address that you see. Okay, so after copying the address, head on to Dphenex. And boom, we are in. Okay, so if your funds are in any other wallet apart from the spot wallet, you need to remove it from there, transfer it to the spot wallet. So click balance in the bottom right corner, then click wealth, because that's where the money is, and activated auto earn so as to be generating profit. Then deactivate auto earn and then click transfer. If you don't deactivate that, your money will be frozen and you fail to withdraw it. So click those two arrows there so that wealth account happens to be on top. Remember, you're actually swapping, or you are transferring your money or your funds from the wealth account into the spot account. So at the bottom there, click the amount of dollars, the 2.4. That's what we want to transfer. Then good, click confirm. Boom. Okay, so we've remained with 0.35 in here. So we can now go to the spot wallet. If we want to, we can actually transfer what has remained there as well. We click transfer from wealth account to spot wallet. How much are we transferring? 0.35. Okay, let's just leave it the way it is. Let's head on to spot. So we want to withdraw this. Click spot and then we click withdraw. Okay, so we are withdrawing USDT. Tether. Click it. Then it's saying, okay, beautiful. Select withdrawal method. So you click on chain. If you click internal, then you're sending to some person who's also using Dphenex. So remember, we had gone by TRC20. So we would need to click the same network we had chosen in Binance. Okay, click here, then paste in the withdrawal address on top, and then punch in the amount of dollars that you want to withdraw. So I'm going to do that. Then you need to submit.